Welcome all. This is our lecture 37, and in this lecture we will cover the topic working with MS Excel. We will know and we will learn about some basic tools, about the very basic operations of MS Excel. How can we use this particular? We will be familiar with the toolbar, with the tools available in MS Excel. So let's start our today's topic, that is MS Excel working. First one is understanding the ribbon. First of all, we will understand the ribbon as we have learned the ribbon of MS Word. Same here, a particular ribbon is available in Excel, but the tools are different from MS Word, and we will check, we will define the ribbon of Excel 2013. Okay, so let's check, let's see the ribbon of particular Excel bar. Here your title bar, your particular menu bar, as same was in MS Word. File, save, redo. Okay, everything is here. This is our text and font manipulation tools, as same in MS Word, but other tools are different. Here is the data arrangement tools are here, some number operations, cell styles, insert cell, delete, format, and many tools are available in this particular ribbon of MS Excel. Okay, now we will understand the worksheet. What are the rows, columns, workbooks? A particular worksheet is a collection of rows and columns, as we have seen in previous lecture. The basic structure of a particular worksheet, where there are some rows and columns, and a combination of these will provide us as a cell, and we will deal with these particular cells in a worksheet. We will arrange our important data, that could be in numeric form or in alphanumeric form. Okay, and we will identify a particular cell with a cell address, and this will be unique for every cell. Okay, if we talk about our workbook, then we can say a particular workbook is a collection of worksheets. Okay, as in previous we have seen, that is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. These are all commonly called as a workbook, and in a workbook there will be many worksheets. Okay, and these all worksheets will behave like a individual worksheet. Okay, we can perform, we can put different type of data in these particular worksheets. Okay, so all these worksheets we can understand these worksheet as this is our particular MS Excel sheet. Here our sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and sheet 4 we can add different sheets in a particular workbook. If we want to insert our daily or monthly expense, then we can simply rename these particular sheets like January, February, March until December, and put our particular data in particular or we can say particular month data in particular worksheet, and then combinedly save this workbook. Okay, as you can see these here worksheet 1, by clicking on this plus add button you can add different worksheets in a particular workbook, and you can rename these particular sheets by clicking or by double clicking on this and rename a particular sheet name. Okay class, so this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.